G'day everyone. Today we're going to be looking for Lampropholis similis. Now this skink species is only found from about Townsville all the way to Cairns, and they occur in rainforest patches and vine thickets. They used to be part of the Lampropholis coggerii complex, but this book is now outdated. You can still get coggerii around the place, but they occur from about Cairns to Cooktown. These books are standard field guides that I use. They're really good. Just last week I photographed one of these similis, and I'm going to go back today to film some more. As I mentioned earlier, Lampropholis similis only really lives in these vine thicket patches throughout its range. There's a dark patch just in the centre there and just above. This is all vine thicket in these areas, and any of the creek lines down here will provide enough moisture and leaf litter for this little species to exist. You can see we're just in some open woodland on this side, and it changes very soon and it'll just be vine thicket all the way out there. Got a lot of corymbia, eucalyptus and all those sorts of trees, lots of grass. We've got the vine thicket over here. We're right next to a vine thicket gully. We've got lots of rocks, not much grass, a lot of vines, which you can kind of make out there. And a lot of these trees have larger leaves and they're dark green. There's leaf litter all over the ground, and that's where our leaf litter species will be, or our rainforesty species will be. And I'll take you for a little bit more of a walk through here. You can see just how much the habitat changes. We've now got a relatively closed canopy, and it's just vine galore. Now this is a species you don't see very often in the daytime. This is a fine-spotted mulch skink, one of the most common skinks in North Queensland, except the fact that hardly anyone ever sees them because they're always under things. Except for this one. This one seems to be enjoying being out in the middle of the path. They're limb reduced, which means that they don't really have very large limbs at all, and it helps them dig underneath the leaf litter. There he is. Whoa. They're very fast. Now, if you're into wildlife and you're in North Queensland, or even if you're anywhere in Australia and you're in rainforest, one of the best things you can do is to search these sunny patches. Where are they? There they are. Searching sunny patches will reveal a range of different species. The most common one will be lizards. Lizards love sun patches. Snakes love sun patches. I love sun patches. They're just a fantastic way to find things. Even mammals and birds will sometimes bask in sun patches. The phone never does it justice as to how incredible this habitat is. It's fantastic leaf litter and rocky escarpment-y sort of country. And a lot of sunny patches for those lizards. Try and zoom in and show you one of them. There he is. And there he isn't. Oh, coming closer. It's coming over towards me. That's fantastic. Now these Rainforest Sunskinks, they need a lot of leaf litter to survive. The leaf litter provides them with shelter and food and probably water in these vine thicket areas. Now the reason they also occur in vine thickets or rainforesty areas is because it's quite cool compared to the open woodland. The cooler temperatures is something that they just need. There's been physiology studies done on them, and it shows that they expire, or they get very, how would I say, lethargic, and they don't do well when they have to cross large areas of high temperatures. And this could be even just a 10-metre stretch of bitumen road. They probably couldn't do it most days if it's too hot. Oh, we've got another one coming in. They're great little buggers. Found another one. It's always really difficult to film in this rainforesty habitat, but on the sun patches they go alright. At any sign of disturbance, these guys will duck under the leaf litter lightning fast. See if I can give you a small demonstration. Oh, he's chasing a fly. He's curious. You gotta love little brown skinks. We've just come across another species of lizard in this sunspot. This is Lygisaurus foliorum. They have 4 fingers on the front and 5 toes on the back. They also are really hard to have a staring contest with because they don't blink. Yeah, that was a terrible joke. But yeah, they also get a red flush on their tail and are ridiculously common in North Queensland. They're smaller than Lampropholis. You can see my finger next to him. And they tend to be more shy, as you can see. Now, of the 500 or so skink species in Australia, these guys can be distinguished partially by their 5 digits on the front limb, and they've got a few other scalational differences that it gets really nitty gritty when you go into it. But these aren't the species of skink you're seeing around your yard. You'll most likely be seeing Carlia, the rainbow skinks, or another species of Lampropholis called Lampropholis delicata. The Lampropholis similis only occurs from about Cairns all the way down to about Townsville. They're a pretty good looking little brown skink. They're only fairly small too. See if I can get my hand next to them. They're very curious, like most skinks. If you scratch around, they'll try and look for bugs where you scratch around. But you got to be gentle, because if you start cracking leaf litter, they'll start getting scared and thinking it's a predator coming towards them. Fantastic little lizards. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Hope you learnt something, and I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it inspired you to, next time you see a lizard, to just watch it, just have a look at it, see what it's doing, see where it's going, and just observe them, really. These are incredible animals which I hope more people enjoy.